They were born underground, protected from the skies above for their first month of life. Mum now has more mouths to feed. Time to call in family help. With no forest to muffle the sound, howls can travel more than 15 kilometers, a long-distance call to brothers and sisters. Survival out here depends on cooperation. Musk ox. Summer is prime foraging. They must build up their stores for the winter ahead. Heat waves unleash microbial enemies from the soil. If the musk ox gets sick, they are vulnerable, and wolves have a sixth sense for weakness. They use the prevailing winds to home in on their targets. The alpha female takes the lead. Her sisters cover the flanks. Musk ox can't outrun wolves, so they stick together. The wolves bait individual musk ox, tempting them to break from the herd. Once she's isolated, the wolf pack encircles the musk ox. A thrust from her horn could kill a wolf. But they know a musk ox's rear is vulnerable, and the wolves wear her down. The pups are invited to lunch. For them, there's a steep learning curve ahead.